What if the single biggest reason your YouTube channel isn't growing is because you're unknowingly following advice that stopped working years ago? Most creators don't realize it, but the strategies they cling to, posting more often, stuffing keywords, chasing trends, are quietly killing their growth. Meanwhile, a new wave of creators is rocketing ahead using one hidden advantage the old rules never prepared you for. A shortcut so powerful it's reshaping the entire creator economy. In a moment, you'll discover exactly what that shortcut is, and why ignoring it may cost you more than just views. Everyone says, consistency is king, but what if consistency is your biggest bottleneck? The truth is, top creators aren't working harder, they're automating faster. And once you see how they're doing it, you'll realize you've been creating content the slow way. Stick with me and I'll show you the same automation frameworks even small channels are using to leapfrog the competition. If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together. Have you ever wondered why some creators seem to know exactly what their audience wants before they post? It's not luck. It's not intuition. It's something far more predictable and shockingly easy to use. You'll learn that method today, and once you do, you'll never guess your content direction again. If you've ever stared at your YouTube analytics and wondered, why isn't this working? You're not alone. Every day, countless creators push harder, post more, hustle longer, only to watch their numbers flatline. And yet, behind the scenes, a different group of creators is rising faster than ever. Not because they're more talented. Not because they're luckier. But because they've discovered a shortcut the rest of the world hasn't caught up to yet. Let me ask you something. What if the real problem isn't your effort, but the outdated strategies you've been told to rely on? The post more myth. The keyword hack myth. The just keep going myth. These old rules once worked, but today they feel like driving a horse and cart on a freeway. Meanwhile, AI-powered creators are quietly overtaking everyone in the fast lane. Automation is no longer optional. It's the engine behind the channels that grow even while their creators sleep. Tools that edit videos, enhance scripts, generate thumbnails, and pinpoint what audiences want before the first second is published. Some creators use AI to plan content. Others use it to analyze viewer behavior with frightening accuracy. And the boldest creators are rewriting their entire workflow around it, saving hours, cutting costs, and producing better videos with half the effort. But here's the hopeful part. This isn't reserved for big channels. Anyone, yes, anyone, can tap into this new wave. You don't need a team. You don't need a huge budget. You don't even need to be tech savvy. You just need the willingness to evolve. Today, we'll break down exactly how AI can simplify your creative process, spark fresh ideas, and personalize your content so deeply that viewers feel like you're speaking directly to them. Because the truth is this: the future of YouTube won't belong to the busiest creators. It will belong to the smartest ones. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to become one of them. In today's digital landscape, the quest for YouTube success can feel overwhelming, but what if there was a hidden shortcut? With the rise of artificial intelligence, content creation is undergoing a revolutionary transformation. AI tools are not just enhancing video editing and thumbnail design. They are also providing insights into audience preferences and optimizing content for maximum engagement. Imagine being able to analyze trends and tailor your videos to what viewers truly want, all with the help of cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll explore innovative strategies that leverage AI to boost your YouTube growth. Get ready to unlock the secrets that could elevate your channel and captivate your audience like never before. Stay tuned as we dive into the future of content creation. The outdated strategies. Many aspiring YouTubers cling to outdated strategies that simply don't yield results anymore. For instance, the belief that posting frequently guarantees success is a misconception. Quality trumps quantity in today's content landscape. Additionally, relying solely on keyword stuffing in titles and descriptions can lead to poor viewer engagement and hurt your channel's credibility. These traditional methods can hinder growth by creating content that feels forced or inauthentic, ultimately driving viewers away. It's time to reassess your current approach and embrace more effective strategies that resonate with today's audience. By letting go of these outdated tactics, you can focus on creating meaningful, engaging content that truly connects with viewers. Join us as we explore fresh perspectives that can revitalize your YouTube journey. The rise of automation. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, top creators are increasingly leveraging automation tools to streamline their video production processes. From AI-driven editing software like Descript to automated thumbnail generators, these tools help save time and enhance creativity. By automating repetitive tasks such as video editing, captioning, and even social media posting, creators can focus more on crafting engaging content and connecting with their audience. For example, channels like Tasty utilize automation to quickly produce high-quality cooking videos, while creators like Marcus Brownlee use AI tools to enhance their production quality without sacrificing efficiency. Embracing automation not only boosts productivity but also allows creators to maintain a consistent upload schedule, ultimately leading to greater audience engagement and channel growth. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of automation in content creation. AI and content creation. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the landscape of content creation, making it more efficient and personalized than ever before. In video editing, AI tools can automate tedious tasks like cutting, color correction, and sound mixing, allowing creators to focus on storytelling. When it comes to script writing, AI can generate ideas, suggest improvements, and even help with SEO optimization, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Additionally, AI-driven analytics provide valuable insights into viewer behavior, enabling creators to tailor their content for maximum engagement. The advantages of using AI for personalized content are immense, as it allows for a deeper connection with viewers by addressing their specific interests and preferences. As you explore your creative journey, consider AI not just as a tool, but as a valuable resource that can elevate your content to new heights. Adapting to change. In the ever-evolving world of content creation, adapting to new trends is crucial for success. Failing to embrace automation and AI can leave creators behind, as these technologies are reshaping how content is produced and consumed. The risks of stagnation include decreased engagement, lower visibility, and ultimately, a dwindling audience. To thrive in this competitive landscape, it's essential to stay informed about industry changes and emerging tools. Start by following relevant blogs, attending webinars, and joining creator communities to share insights. To begin integrating AI into your workflow, consider using tools for video editing, analytics, or even content ideation. We use Tube Magic, see description, for narration creation. Experiment with one tool at a time, and gradually expand your use of AI to enhance your creative process. Embrace change, and watch your content flourish. In summary, we've explored how AI and automation are transforming the content creation landscape, making it essential for creators to adapt to these advancements. Embracing these technologies not only streamlines production but also enhances audience engagement through personalized content. As we've discussed, the risks of not adapting can hinder your growth and visibility in a competitive environment. Now is the time to take action. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and sharing it with fellow creators who could benefit from these insights. We invite you to explore more content on our channel, where you'll find valuable tips and strategies to elevate your YouTube journey. Together, let's navigate the future of content creation and unlock new opportunities for success. Earlier, I asked you a question. What if the single biggest reason your YouTube channel isn't growing is because you're following advice that stopped working years ago? Now you know the truth. Outdated strategies aren't just ineffective, they're actively holding creators back while AI-powered channels surge ahead. The landscape has shifted. Automation is no longer a luxury, it's the new creative standard. And those who embrace it are experiencing a level of clarity, consistency, and connection that old-school methods simply can't match. You've seen how AI can edit faster, analyze deeper, and personalize more precisely than anything we've had access to before. You've seen how creators who lean into these tools free themselves from burnout and step into a workflow that feels lighter, smarter, and infinitely more scalable. But here's the good news. None of this is out of reach. You're not late. You're not behind. You're standing at the threshold of a massive shift, and most people still haven't stepped through the door. So if you take one thing away today, let it be this. YouTube success is no longer about grinding harder. It's about aligning yourself with the tools that multiply your effort. You now have access to those tools. See our tools in the description. And that means you have access to the future. Step forward. Experiment. Adapt. Your next chapter on YouTube doesn't have to be overwhelming. It can be exciting, strategic, and deeply rewarding. The shortcut is real, and now, it's yours.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.